We've all experienced this. You meet someone new, or maybe someone you kind of know. At first, it's easy. Hey, how are you? What do you do? Where are you from? A few minutes pass, and then suddenly, silence. That awkward pause where both of you pretend to look busy for a second. I've had moments like that more times than I can count. At work, at weddings, at random parties. Even talking to relatives I barely remember. And honestly, for a long time, I thought I was just bad at conversations. Like, some people were naturally social, and I just wasn't built that way. But over time, I realized something important. Being good at talking to people isn't really about confidence. It's mostly a skill, and like any skill, you can improve it. Not overnight, but definitely over time. After years of awkward interactions, overthinking, and paying attention to how socially skilled people behave, I noticed something. Good conversations are actually much simpler than they seem. Most people just focus on the wrong things. There are really only 3 habits that changed conversations for me completely. The first one is asking better questions. Not more questions, better ones. Let's say someone tells you they went golfing over the weekend. Most people respond with something like, "Oh, nice." And then the conversation slowly dies. But instead, you could ask, "How long have you been playing? Do you actually enjoy it, or is it frustrating? Who do you usually play with?" You don't even need to care about golf that much. What matters is curiosity. People can feel when you're actually engaged with what they're saying. And once they feel that, conversations become much easier. Because every conversation is basically just a chain of responses and follow-up questions. And usually, the person asking the questions controls the direction of the conversation without realizing it. The second thing is listening properly. And I mean really listening. Not waiting for your turn to speak. Not mentally preparing your next sentence while the other person is talking. A lot of people do this without noticing. But when you're too focused on what you're about to say, you stop paying attention completely. And then your responses start feeling disconnected or forced. Real listening gives you material to work with. Tiny details, emotions, specific words. That's what keeps conversations flowing naturally. Not perfect social skills. Not clever lines. Just attention. There's a quote I heard years ago that stuck with me. Most people don't listen to understand. They listen to reply. And honestly, once you notice it, you start seeing it everywhere. The third thing is finding common ground. This is where conversations stop feeling like effort. Sometimes the connection is obvious. You like the same music, the same sport, the same type of humor. Other times, it takes a little longer. But if you ask enough questions and actually listen, eventually you'll find something. And once you do, the energy changes immediately. The conversation starts flowing on its own. Now, obviously, not every interaction is going to feel amazing. Some conversations will still be awkward. Some people just won't match your energy. And sometimes there will be silence. That's normal. Silence doesn't mean you failed. Most people are just uncomfortable with it because they think every second has to be filled. It doesn't. Honestly, some of the most confident people I've met are completely comfortable with pauses because they're not trying to perform. And maybe that's the biggest thing I've learned. Good conversations are not really about being impressive. They're about making people feel comfortable. If you learn how to ask intentional questions, listen carefully, and find common ground, you'll rarely run out of things to say. And eventually, you stop trying so hard to seem interesting. You become genuinely interested instead. And people can feel the difference immediately. Thank you for your time. Love yourself. Stay strong. I will see you in the next video.